and we have with us Dr. Rishi Raj Singh, who is working as Director Training with the NISBED. NISBED is National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development, Government of India. And for example, we have certain apex institutions working in the domain of entrepreneurship. One is EDII Ahmedabad, you know it, Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, but they have kept themselves out of the bounds of government. But NISBED is the institution that is under the government of India. So we must have taught to our students, refer to our students in books that these are the apex institutions. So we are very lucky that we have Shri Rishi Raj Singh ji, who is looking after trainings over there, in which the participants are from continents of Asia, America, Europe, and Africa also. And he has been in continuous touch with the NITTR as they bring the participants from there for a field visit to this northern region. What are the innovations in education system we are doing over here, and what they can contribute to our system, or what we can give to them. So on behalf of NITTR and all the participants, I welcome you, sir, to this studio. And now it's all over to you. For sharing your rich experiences with us. And he has a long background. He is associated with NISBED since 1989. 1985, sir was sharing that for 4 to 5 months he was there with NISBED. Then again in 1989 he joined that institution and still working with NISBED and contributing his services over there. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And namaskar, namaste ji. You see, introduction brief. You should be brief. You should not take the time. Yeah, NISBED is not the only one organization. For me, I started my journey from the bank. Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Syndicate Bank, Canara Bank. After that, Chartered Accountant firms, then 6 NGO, then Ministry of Non-Conventional Resources. And after that, I joined NISBED for that. So I'm happy that I'm here. I'm not come here to teach you, because I know all of you are full of experience, full of expertise. Only just I came to share with you some of my experiences, and especially life experiences, which I think we will not get in any books for that. And I feel that is more relevant. So it continue in English or Hindi? Tell me honestly. Okay. Okay, see, today's topic is the motivation for business. Yeah. For any aim, any objective or any activity in our life, you see, you will find sometimes we are very much interested. And sometimes we don't have any interest. Right or wrong? So when we have interest, then work is very nice. When we don't have, boring. Sorry. So it is boring for that there. So let us see that interest, and we have to go through why we are not interested. Right? And we don't pay attention. You see, if you look at through my life experience, I have categorized the people into 4 categories. Whether a family, whether a team, whether an organization, whether a department, whether a community, anything you can take the example for that there. One is competent, but unwilling. They know what they can do. They know what they can do, but they don't want to do. Right or wrong? And I think you know such people in your organization. You know such people in your family. You know such people in your community also. You know such people in your relation also. Second is competent, but willing. But willing. But they don't take initiative. That's why I said willing. Whenever the boss say, anybody say, they do. They never say no. But important is also the initiative. So they don't take for that. Third is less competent, but always willing. always willing. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So third category is less competent, but always willing. These are the people, they never say no, they take initiative and they search out wherever the work is there. At the home also, like I can give you an example. You will find 2, 3 bahue at the house. 2 says, now we have completed things and nothing is left. So they are free. Another is, they completed the work, but the whole day they are busy. She completed, then see, oh my God, let me clean rice, let me clean wheat or dal, like that. So she is always busy. If sometimes she feel free, she completed all these things, so you will find, okay, maybe the old cloth like that, she will and cut it and make it something. So both are living in the same home. One is free, another is not free. So you will find the second one who always taking the initiative, what I can do, which other don't understand. And fourth category of the people is, they don't know about their competency. So that is why either they are unwilling or they are very slow. Very slow. And these are the people you will find whenever you say to the work, okay, can you do this work? Not their job work, but little bit other work. They say, sir, if I know that, so I was supposed to be officer. I was not supposed to be a peon. Right or wrong? Even some students also say the same thing. Sir, if I know, I was supposed to be a teacher or professor. Right? Now, important things. If any other category, if you feel, through my life experience, I have categorized the people in 4 categories. So whether organization, team, or family. If you feel any other category, so you can tell me. Now the problem is, when you have the work as a professor also, or as a teacher also, or any officials also. So if the work is urgent, to whom you will select with you? Urgent, willing, okay, and always willing. Less competent, but always willing. Because these are the 2 people, they never say no. Competent, unwilling, and unknown about their competency, you will leave them for the time being. But for a longer period, you will not leave them also. Right? Otherwise, they are getting the salary. Other has the impact. Sir, सब काम मैं ही करूँगा. वो मुफ्त की सैलरी ले रहा है, पेंशन ले रहा है. It happens in your management institute also. So we have to be very careful for that. So now, if you want to get done this work from these people, what we have to do? We have to motivate them, right? And we have to understand the reasons. Maybe competent, maybe they did not get the promotion. Maybe competent, they are not recognized. Maybe competent people who are unwilling, they did not get any respect. That may be the reason. So they feel, do whatever you want, I will not. And always such people try to stop and to create the problem, remember. They are not supporting, they are not cooperating, but they create the problems also. And fourth category, if you look at, then they also have, I believe as a person, okay, everyone, each one of you or every person, they have certain specialty or the quality, some skill. And accordingly, we can give them the work. Sometimes the people know, sometimes they don't know. Sometimes people, if they know, they don't want to use. Sometimes when the people don't know how they have to use. And that is very important. So that becomes If we know what are our resources, have you ever analyzed yourself what resources you have? Never. Even as professor, you never analyze. As a teacher or whatever the case may be, as an student also. So if you analyze what, first you know what resources you have. And second is how to use it. Third is where to use it. Fourth is for what? For what? So that is important for that. If you know this one, simple things, nobody can stop you to grow. What we don't know, we don't know, for that is there. So can you tell me that how we feel motivated? How we can motivate the people? Some example? You are working with the student, how you motivate the students, please? Okay, one. Okay, two.
Realizing them what good things they have.
Three.
Involvement of the student in some activities,
Four.
lying that they only they can do it.
Five.
Continuous trainings on the motivation programs, telling them how different they are from others.
Good.
By
Six.
giving reward,
Okay. Seven. Good.
telling them the way to cope up with their negativity, or you can say the negative one.
This is not
Future prospect.
future.
Prospect.
I don't think.
Many goals at a time, sometimes scolding, many times I told तेरे से नहीं होगा, तुम्हारे पास का ही नहीं है, हो ही नहीं सकता. And, then I find that they got motivated.
Is something about their talent or
Good.
So channelizing,
Reporting to motivational examples.
Yeah.
so channelizing their energy in the right direction.
Morning, sir. Sir,
Morning.
from Bharatpur College.
Morning.
Sir, I would like to say something about it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think motivation is a supplementary thing we can provide the person. Actual motivation is the provide the actual need and actual realization the person himself, what he want to do and actually what for he made, for what he is in the earth. So if you realize the person that you are made for this thing, real motivation is that. That is the real motivation, in my view.
Good, sir. Good. Thank you. Anybody else?
Thank you, sir.
So, you see, but look at there are certain other things also in the life which is very important. This is for simple people and I think for others and for self. These are some things like appreciate, for which we are very miser. We never want to appreciate the people, right? I can give the example. I will catch you later on. Then we have to give the incentive. Yeah, promotion is also one type of incentive. But like some other facilities also, that is also the incentive. Appreciation letter is also. Some people you see, you appreciate, but they don't want. You will say just you are appreciating, after some time, you may create the problem. Even you can do something with my CR. So if you are giving in writing, then I believe. So this is also motivation. Why I am saying there was a person, you see, he got the President Award on his book on Hindi. And in his CR, it is written by one of the director, he does not know Hindi. The organization appreciated, they acknowledge also, and the same director, due to some reasons, spoiled the CR. But gentleman was very nice. When he got in writing, you see that award, along with the CR, the bad spoiled CR, he sent to the secretary and the minister, even to the president house. Okay, I don't think I deserve this, your appreciation. You gave me the award. I don't know what was the jury, but our director indicating this one is there. And you know that director was in the problem, because that was a written document. Because he replied, okay, already I got the award from President of India on the books on Hindi, and you are saying I don't know Hindi. The secretary and the minister questioned, and I think after 6 months, bye-bye. So sometimes, you see, in writing, so appreciation in writing. Some people, they feel in money also there. You say appreciate, no. But unless the money, no motivation for them is there. And so on, other facility is there. But you see, remember one thing, there are other 4 for the professional. This is for self and for others. The motivation, strategy or approach, the same is for self and for others also. But for professional people, which I have observed in my life, one is the goal and the target for the motivation. Another is competition. Another is competition. Third is challenge. And fourth is satisfaction. For any professional in any areas, if they keep these 4 things, always they get the motivation for that. Because these are the not linked with any greedy things. This indicates the professionalism. Whether they are getting the money or not, whether they are getting the appreciation or not, but they are devoted, committed to the work for that, and that is appreciation. Okay, this year I have done this, next year I will do this one. Oh, so many is in competition, but I am moving in competition ahead. That is also the motivation. In the life, everything easy, comfortable, they don't want to enjoy unless there is a challenge. So without challenge, no satisfaction for that. And for all these things, you have to stretch. You have to stretch. But I said, we are miser in appreciation also there. If I ask you one question, how many people you are married? All? Almost all. Okay, how many times, honestly, you tell me you appreciate your wife? How many times you appreciate your husband? Yes, sir. Always. Oh, you give me your telephone number, I will confirm. I will confirm. We will appreciate the neighbor, but we don't want to appreciate the wife. She is well dressed, but we never want to appreciate. And you see, she will take 10 rounds to show you, but you are not paying attention. Let us say something. Looking smart, looking beautiful. Are you spending some money on that? It is free. Even most of the time you don't want to have a smile on your face when your wife is in front of you. And she feels concerned. Sir, what happened? Dear sweetheart, what happened? Oh, what do you mean? What sweetheart for that? Bring the tea. I am tired now. Right or wrong? And this is the life experience. देखिए आप लोग शायद सच्चाई नहीं बोल रहे हैं, सच्चाई बोलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. जो नहीं कर रहे हैं बोलिए ना, मुफ्त की चीजें बांट दीजिए. Even if we don't want to greet the people, हम एक्सपेक्ट करें सब हमें ग्रीट करें, right? But if you greet the people, even they are younger, don't worry. After 10 days, they will start to greet you. भाई आपका कोई बर्थ राइट थोड़ा ये है कि आप ही प्रोफेसर हैं तो सब आपको ग्रीट करेंगे, नमस्ते करेंगे? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. क्या आपका बैंक बैलेंस, यू डोंट हैव द बैंक बैलेंस ऑफ द ग्रीटिंग्स, ऑफ द स्माइल, बट यू डोंट वांट. हाउ मच you will distribute this, you will get in back, but you don't want to. Free things to bring a change for that is there. Okay, another interesting example I want to give you. It happens in the everyone home. When you are sometimes very tired for that is there, and you come to the home, wife or husband both are serving. So small children, they are busy to watch the TV, and you enter and they ask, "Beta, darling, can you bring a glass of the water?" Then he or she say, "No, busy in my TV or in my play," or whatever the case may be, right? So from your bag, you take out a 5-star chocolate. Say, "Beta, bring you chocolate," and then you'll find what happened. He or she run very fast and bring, instead of 1 glass of the water, 2 glass of the water. It happens in your life. You saw this one or not? Can you tell me why? You ask for 1 glass water. You ask 1 glass of the water. Why brought 2 glass of the water? And earlier, why he or she refused? Greedy motivation. The same thing can be applied with you, with the employee, when you ask the promotion. Right? That is not the greed. This is one type of the incentive. This is one type of the incentive for that. So it is important to inquire all these things. So these are the example in our home for that is there, and we do. You see, why first he refused? There are two things very important in motivation. One is the purpose, another is the motive. Either purpose or the motive. When we have the clear purpose or the motive, then we get the extra force, extra energy, extra power, extra drive. The combination of both, we call motivation. So earlier purpose and motive of that child was to watch the TV. Interesting program. Right? That's why he or she refused. After that, what happened? When you saw the chocolate, then his purpose and motive changed. With the time, oh, I will get this one. And I can see my TV after 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Let me get it. And another thing, why 2 glass of the water? Maybe there are 2 options, situation. One, I may get another chocolate. They have shown one. Or maybe, he may be thirsty, he may say again, bring another glass of water. So better to carry 2 glass of the water. So these are the situation for that. So these are the example of the motivation for that. Because due to that chocolate, purpose, motive change, and extra force and drive, energy, he or she got and run away and brought the 2 glass of the water for that. And it happens with you also there. And all these things are based on the need and desire. Need and desire. Everything motivation also based on the need and desire. So we have the 3 category. Even we have developed the 4 category for that based on the need. Like need for achievement motivation, need for power motivation, need for affiliation motivation. Further, we have also developed need for extension motivation. But here I will talk only 3 for that is there. But I feel first I want to analyze or assess. Why not you make your own assessment? How much you are motivated? In which area you are motivated? Which area dominates you? We never want to analyze ourselves, right? Are you ready for that? Okay, I have one questionnaire. So I want to distribute that questionnaire. It may take, I think, not more than 10 minutes. Only 15 questions. Are you ready? Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
सॉफ्ट फॉर्म में है अगर हम उनको ईमेल करेंगे
मैं यहाँ तो नहीं है व्हाट्सएप दूसरी
Excuse me, sir.
यस सर
Sir, we are from Bharatpur. May we also participate in this session?
okay can you share phone number and WhatsApp करें एक
So
phone
we can see on the camera and also we have mailing facility also.
okay so on the camera we will show you
Thank you, sir.
but I am not technical person you see I am a layman how they are going to show you I don't know
Okay, sir. We are seeing the camera.
okay you give them the number telephone number
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp में
okay
Sir.
WhatsApp they will send on WhatsApp
Good morning, sir. This is Dhawal here.
हाँ धवल जी आपके WhatsApp पे मैं डाल रहा हूँ
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
and my request is to all of you please read carefully understand the meaning carefully and then tick mark otherwise your profile can be wrong and you will be caught so 5 options has been given only 10 minutes you can be very fast are you finding any problem
फर्स्ट पेज पढ़ना है ना
yeah first phase after that the scoring will be there you can send the scoring done fill and transfer the score here जिस नंबर पे जहाँ पे टिकवा किया है जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के आगे किस पे टिकवा किया है तो वो वहाँ पे देखिए आज आप पकड़ जाएंगे क्या क्या हरकतें करते हैं तो सोच लीजिए समझ लीजिए आपके सिगरेट आज बाहर आने वाले हैं
धवल जी sent from my side Dhaval ji, sent from my side. It is a JPG image. You can through Bluetooth transfer it into your laptop and show to all the participants
Okay,
or in
sir,
the
okay.
tea time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
अच्छे का अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हैं सर आप लेकिन आप दिनों को सर अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं बच्चों को बहुत धमकाते हैं वो नहीं कह रहा बच्चों को बहुत धमकाते हैं करती है, लेकिन अपने पर कम ध्यान देती है। जब कुछ और अच्छे तब ध्यान देती है, अरे मेरे से अच्छा कोर्ट क्यों बने। क्या बात है सर, आप तो जनता जनार्दन के लिए समर्पित हैं। आपको तो स्टूडेंट लूट के ले जा सकते हैं, इतने खुले हैं उनके लिए। सेवा फ्री, दिल के घर है। और दोस्ती में बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, दोस्ती में अपना समय भी गवा देते हैं सर, और लॉस भी होते हैं आप लोगों को ध्यान रखिए। सर ये तो आपने किया ही नहीं है, we have to इसको ट्रांसफर here. What is the number tick marks? Again this 1 4 right 4 here, and then make it to turn. आज ये भी पता लगा है कौन कौन अपनी पत्नी की को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं। इतना अच्छा दिल क्यों नहीं है हमारा, इतना भक्ति करते हैं, क्या बात है। लेकिन थोड़ी देर में बताएंगे कुछ जिंदगी में ऊपर नीचे हो गया है जो अभी तक वाले हैं। यस सर, सर बहुत अच्छा है, आप बहुत अच्छा चाहते हैं, बड़े पॉजिटिव भी है, लेकिन इस हंसी के पीछे दूसरी शेयर करके के लिए जो दुख है जबरदस्त। आप तो बहुत अच्छे काम लगे हुए हैं, लेकिन एक बार जाने जी सर, जहाँ पर So just brief, I told you about your profile, what you have done, right? Only a small portion which I have observed and interpretation for that is there. And you see, this is very important. If you analyze, if you understand, then real motivation will come. Okay, first I must say to you, see the score, highest score is in which? So it means in that area you prefer, you feel more motivated, right? You check for that. Okay, when we talk about the motivation, already I talk for that self and others for that is there. And yes, human behavior, you see, it is related to human behavior. And human behavior is based on the need and desire for that. Accordingly, we move and take action for that. And there are some more factors working here. Already I explained to you, a goal-directed human behavior always has a motivation, having the two component, purpose or motive. Then if we have clear with our purpose and motive, then we get the extra force, extra energy, extra power or extra drive. And that already I talked to you about that example, giving various examples for that. Then, and everything, this goal-directed behavior is also based on need and desire. And three category: achievement motivation, power motivation, affiliation motivation. Extension motivation, that I have not given, and that is not much relevant for you for that is there. But extension motivation is the combination of achievement and power motivation. That is, we have developed for further analysis for that there. Okay, now if you look at, check your area of the motivation in which you have the highest. Some may be affiliation, some may be power, some may be achievement. But I found, I think majority I found in achievement for that. So you see, if you look at, this is who has the highest in power motivation. So you'll find these are the people who always main concern is how to control the people, how to influence them. Okay, whatever I'm talking, everybody should listen to me only. They should pay attention to me. They are too much attention seeking people for that is there. And for that purpose, you see what they do. क्या-क्या हरकतें करते हैं वो? They try to dominate. Means I know everything. You will find in your life so many people, any discussion coming, and you will find they jump into that. Oh, you are talking about the USA? Yes, I met the Bill Clinton, I met so and so, you see, and they were waiting for me. Like, you talk about the France, they will talk about, you talk about the Bhutan, or whatever the case. It means they show I know everything for that. Even in your group, you will find somebody like that is also there. At home also, in organization also, you will find. Then to direct, immediately there, oh, Nitter, you want to go to Nitter, okay. Yes, Nitter, Chandigarh, that one is there. And we have Bhopal, we have Chennai, like that, we have Kolkata, we have Chandigarh. Okay, Chandigarh, that's good for. So direction is there. Then to guide also. The people say, okay, by Shatabdi or other train, take a taxi. No, don't take taxi, take auto. Taxi will charge more for that. In 20 minutes you will reach for that. Then to lead. Some people say, oh my God, there are 5, 6 women. My God, how we can go in auto for that? We don't know that. But, okay, come, madam. We can hire a taxi or full auto for that. Okay, I'm with you. Okay, then. So try to lead. But there are some women, I don't know what type of this man is there. So they need convince to for that. Okay, why you are worried for that? Hey, we are his sisters, brothers. We are going for the training for that. Is there? Oh, then they realize. Okay, sister, brothers, now certificate come for that. Right? Some people say, so try to convince also in that fashion. Okay, another is for affiliation motivation. Who has highest the score? Their main concern is to develop or establish a relationship or networking. Not only developing, but to sustain also there. भाई friendship तो हम करते हैं ना, लेकिन उसको निभाना. So they focus on that, and for that purpose, what they do? They have the feeling of to belong. I belongs to Assam. I belongs to West Bengal. I belongs to Haryana. I belongs to Punjab. So this is a feeling of belonging. And further, I am Yadav. I am Sani. I am Sharma. I am Mishra. Right? So feeling of belongingness. For that, to be belong. You came from different part, but here now, oh, in the training program, faculty development program. So to be belong now new for that. So everyone, we are for this program. So this feeling also they feel very important for that is there. And to be friendly, yes, you will find these people very, very friendly. Always talk in harmonious way, peaceful way, to show that I am your friend. And this is not that. We will continue on WhatsApp, Viber, email, any other? Skype? Yeah, so many. For that is there. So they will continue for that. But these are the people, they want to be peaceful also there. That is why they don't argue. They avoid confrontation. Even some people you will find, like who go for donation. And they reach to you, sir, we are going to this temple like this, and you started to fire. Bastard, rascal. Again you came, earlier you collected the money, and you made your own house. So they never react. They reply, sir, we have not done, but I don't know why you feel like that. But even after that, they fire. After some time, they become cool also there. But they did not react for that. Only listen, after that, maybe you fire. You are supposed to go to 1,000 rupees. You feel, okay, I have fired too much. Okay, let me give me 100 or 200 rupees. At least today, somebody to get my fire. Victim for that is there. Otherwise, sometimes they do with the wife, children's. Others, they do for that is there. So, they want to avoid that, and you will find even after that people abuse them, fire them, but they never stop the work. They continue for that. That is why you say public work is most important, not easy task. Yeah, this is very important achievement motivation. You see, if I go for that too, so they are totally linked with the peoples, not individual. Peoples for that. So that is why if I talk about the affiliation, who had the highest score in that, these are people quality I told, but they can be a good social worker, good social leader. They can be community development organizer, extension officers. So they can be very good for that. And for power motivation, they can be very good manager. Very good manager. Very good supervisor. Or anything for administration purpose. They are very good. Any post linked with that, they are very good in that area for that. Even sometimes they are very good for policy making also there. And now this is individual. When we talk about the achievement motivation, these are the people, their concern is for certain standard of excellence in performance, remember. So this is based on the individual. They always talk about their performance. The concern is, and when we talk certain standard of excellence, it means they always work above average person. Above average person. That is why their performance is also very clear for that is there. For that what they do? Bettering means they always try to improve themselves. What they have done earlier, to make improvement, doing more, better work for that is there. Then another things you will find here, arousal of the desires. Lot of desire you have for that is there, but we are keeping here, we are keeping here. So you have to bring out for that. You have to do some activities. So you also get the inspiration so that you can bring for that when you find the conducive environment, setting a standard for self and other. And these are the people you see, they set their standard, but they set for others also there. They imagine correctly for others. I remember for my father, when he was in 10th, he said everything in Hindi also, like meaning of the poetry also written in Hindi in a poetry form for that. And English, there was a very good teacher. And there was English teacher, very intelligent during British rule. Then he inquired after the exam, English paper, to his son, how much you will get? Papa, I will get 93 in English. Anything else? Okay, there is one girl, she will get 95. You are getting me? He analyzed, sets his standard, analyze himself, I will get 93, and for others, 95. Then he said, you are fool. Who will get 93, 95 in English? But you see, that boy topped the UP board. and got 93 in English, and that girl got 95 in English. Then he wrote a letter to the UP board. Okay, who are the people who gave the 93, 95? Hardly I am able to get it. For these people, not more than 60. The board was constituted, and they also found. They wrote a letter to the teacher, sir, 93 will get 94, 95, and 95 will get 96, 97, but not less than that. then they repeated, okay, there are all fools in the board also there. So what I am giving this example for that, for setting a standard, creative, innovative, yes, they are very creative and innovative. A lot of you are full of creativity, but you are not using. It is spoiled for that is there. Then long-term involvement, they feel, okay, in 1 year, 6 months, it will not happen. Okay, 5, 10 years, I will bring that. So unique achievement, yeah, they are different from others. They don't want to be. That is why they are unique achievement, career accomplishment, competitive challenge also there. I told you for that also. So these are the people. They can be very good entrepreneur or intrapreneur. There are two terms, entrepreneur or intrapreneur. Entrepreneur are those who do business, generate jobs, and earn the revenue or generate the revenue. Intrapreneur are those who behave just like entrepreneur, but they are involved for the growth and development of the family or the organization, the community, and the ministry as a whole. So they are intrapreneur. So this is the basic difference. So intrapreneur can be anyone. She can be mother, he can be father, he can be sisters, can be professor, teachers, IAS, secretary, any political leader also. Anybody can be, even the worker. Anybody can be entrepreneur for that. That is why in all areas you will find 1% different from other. Even the worker you always appreciate. Even the worker you always appreciate for that. You clap for such people also there. Right or wrong for that. In your knowledge you will find some people who are very good, always have a smile, never afraid of any difficulty and the problems. When they accept all the challenges. And they do. They smile. And you find, I think you encounter such people. आप ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं, मिले हैं या नहीं मिले हैं? अपने परिवार में, रिलेशन में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, उनके चेहरे पर हमेशा मुस्कुराहट ही होती है. फिर आप कहते हैं यार कैसे कर लेता पता नहीं. राइट और रॉन्ग? आप तालियां बजाते हैं, अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, अप्रिशिएट, तालियां बजाते हैं या नहीं उन लोगों के लिए? Sometimes you don't clap for that is there. I'm sorry that you are miser in appreciation also there. You see, we appreciate them, we applaud them, and we clap for them, but we never ask them how you are maintaining all these things. कभी हम जानने की कोशिश नहीं करते आप ऐसे कैसे हैं, क्या करते हैं? तो सर यही तो है, तो इसलिए क्योंकि हम वी आर लिविंग इन द कंफर्ट जोन. हम अपने को स्ट्रेच नहीं करना चाहते. अगर हमने उनसे पूछा तो हमें उनकी तरह बनना पड़ेगा ना, तो इसलिए तो नहीं चाहते हम. वी ऑलवेज वांट टू लिव इन द कंफर्ट जोन. फॉर दैट इज देयर. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ओके सर. नाउ दिस इज, and now you know about your profile, sir. If anybody wants, now small things I told you, I will analyze through your profile what you are doing, and what you are not doing, and why you are not doing, right? And what you can do. What you can do. Because ये तो बहुत है, but it can be only your concept, your dream, your imagination, right? And planning. तो आप में से बहुत सारे लोग होंगे ऐसा ड्रीम करते हैं, ऐसा सोचते हैं, करते नहीं है, राइट? सोचते हैं, प्लान करते हैं, एग्जीक्यूशन नहीं करते. लेकिन बहुत से हैं जो एग्जीक्यूशन, और इसीलिए हमारे जीवन में परिवर्तन नहीं आता है. बाकी लोग जैसे ये करेंगे परफॉर्मेंस होगा, और हम करते इसलिए नहीं है. बड़ा मुश्किल क्या होता है. There are 3 H, very important. Head, heart, and hand. Head means what we think. क्या वैसा फील करते हैं? सेकंड H, heart. अगर जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा फील करते हैं, implementation is very effective. But if it is imbalances, implementation cannot be effective. और इसीलिए हम लोग रुके पड़े हैं. Another things, people say जितना फ्री रहेंगे मजा काटेंगे, बड़ा ऐश है, like that. टीचर हो कोई स्पेशली गवर्नमेंट वाले, लेकिन हमेशा मैं कहता हूँ जितना आप इतना फ्री रखेंगे, अपने आप को कुछ नहीं करेंगे, उतना ही आप अपने को स्पाइल करेंगे. Why? Because you know that a new car or new machinery, if you are not using, what will happen? It will get junked and spoiled, right? So whatever the knowledge you have, whatever the skill you have, whatever the attitude you have, whatever the behavior you have, if you are not using, so you are spoiling just like the new machinery. The people who don't do work since morning to evening and they continue, they are taking the free salary. They are spoiling their self. Remember this one. How much you will use, you will improve. And even you will forget if you are not using for that. Right? Yes, sir. Any questions somewhere before I go for analyzing the profile? Is it clear? Okay. So, sir, now, बाकी लोग आप पूछ सकते हैं जिसको अपनी हैसियत ऐसी करानी है, प्रोफाइल पूछ सकते हैं. are doing, I already told you, this is in the comfort zone. And when you do comfort zone, you consider I am doing a very wonderful task. No. In the comfort zone, you will never do this type of task. So you have to come out from comfort zone. Come out from the boundary of your institute. Then you will find a more fresh air. You will find more good professor. So go on that. Then you will find for that. That is why, you see, one sentence I told you, people, students or people like you, they appreciate you for that is there. But you have to come up to their expectation. Only not the behavior. By your impulse for that is there. Which other professor not giving. So you have to work on that. You have to work hard on that. And you have to be creative and innovative in that area so that they will feel, oh, he is a professor. If we go, not only support, but very innovative new things we get, even in the books we are not getting. You got my point for that. So that is why that you have that potential, you can do for that is there. You can do that for that. But only when you are not realizing your potential, how you can use it? Unless you come from the comfort zone. Second is analyzing, yani compliance zone, where you, comfort zone is mostly, you see the people, they comply. What the principal director say, we follow for that is there. Then next stage comes completion zone. The completion talk about analysis, evaluation, so that we realize, oh, there are some other people doing good job. So you analyze, but not doing, not focusing on that is there. You understand, but implementation. And third stage goes to competitive. When you competition have, oh, then you are learning from them, and then you become the creative. The last stage for that is there. So you are up to 2 stage only. But result will come, my friend. Result will come when you will come into 3rd and 4th stage for that is there. So you have everything. You have everything. When people like you, for that is there. So being, yeah, and you got the opportunity in your life, but you are not able to use the various opportunity for that due to variety of reasons and due to that comfort zone. You are supposed to upgrade your skill. You are supposed to upgrade your knowledge for that is there. Which, like 10 opportunity you got, but you are able to utilize only 2. So don't leave the opportunity. And this is due to your comfort zone. कभी पता लगा कि घर वालों ने कहा अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो? कभी ऑफिस वालों ने कहा अरे नहीं यहाँ पर तुम्हारी जरूरत है. You got my point for that. So the people who are so much creative and they want to each moment of the opportunity for that, which you are not in a position for. So that is why how much improvement by your potential should be, it is not there. If you can do. And you see, reason being, this is the one. Another is, you see, this is the family things, constant, and other things, rules and regulation. You are following very nicely to become very good person in the eyes of the institute. No, forget. Don't say like that is there. Otherwise, I will catch you again. So I am saying, in the same rules and regulation, they try to bind everyone, but there are some people, they even move that. But we never pay attention on these people. We pay attention on that. In the government also rules and regulations, but there are some people, they go within that system. They excel within that system. But we take the example of the who are not doing, but we never take the example who are moving, whether 1 or 2. That is positivity. That is why I said 60. So that is why till now it is not much harm, my friends. And I am telling you this, and that is why some people became, and you want to disassociate with some people. You have let your friendship circle, social circle now started, because you don't want to, I should not be with that group.
That's why I'm asking this thing, that how I can improve my application score.
That is why, sir, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं ना. मैंने तो आपको यही बताया ना कि आप सेफ होकर चलना चाहते हैं कि ये ग्रुप यार थोड़ा बवाली है, इसके साथ नहीं होंगे हम, तो कई मैनेजमेंट के नजरों में ना आ जाएं. फॉर दैट तो लिमिटेड कर लिया अपने आप को जो है. बट भाई साहब ये सुनिए, अगर आपके 5 मित्र हैं, उनसे 10-10 सजेशन मिलते हैं, एडवाइस मिलते हैं, कितने हो गए? कितने हो गए? 50, राइट? बट अगर आपके 20 हैं, कितने हो गए? 200 हो गए ना? तो विच इज द बेस्ट अल्टरनेटिव, 200 और 50? तो यू आर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ दैट वन, यू आर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ दैट वन. कहते हैं ना, सुनिए सबकी करिए, so like that. So listen everyone, but do which you feel. That is why this is the incoordination imbalances is going on, and lot of other people move so, including junior, and you are looking what happened. हम तो मैनेजमेंट के लॉयल होके भी कुछ नहीं पा रहे. You got my point, but you are very good potential for that is there. If you use it, you can do for that is there. I will tell some more reasons why you are not doing for that. But you have very good heart also, I am telling you. So you have to make the balance for that. So I want to inquire from you. This is right or wrong? How much percentage you feel it is correct?
95, 95.
Oh, 95%, please. Big giveaway, big hand. Yes, any other? वैसे एक बार बताओ, तुम मम्मी से, सास से इतनी क्यों लड़ती हो? देखो, क्या बोला आपने? मेरी भाषा में वही है. और दूसरे सुनती नहीं हो उनकी. उनको तो जैसे कहते हैं घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर वाला हिसाब है. बात मानती हो भैया की या पापा की. आपका स्कोर कह रहा है, मैं नहीं कह रहा. तो प्लीज डोंट कंफ्यूज. आपका स्कोर में ये चीज आ रहा है. हालांकि मैं जानता हूं आप प्यार अपनी मम्मी से जबरदस्त करती हो, लेकिन फिर सुनती क्यों नहीं हो? इसलिए मैंने कहा ना, सास या माँ, वो बात कहा था ना मैंने उसके लिए. और इसीलिए आप जानते हैं कि आपके बिहेवियर व्हाट यू हैव डेवलप्ड नाउ. Whenever she repeats second times, you feel so irritated. That is why, Mama, what do you? Mama, अभी तो मैं आई हूँ वहां से, जो है क्या मेरी जान लोगी, कुछ तो होने. अभी स्टूडेंट मेरा सर खा लिया जो है, बाकी तुम्हें खाना है क्या? अरे नहीं बेटा, इतना सर खा लिया, चाय बना दूं? मेरे को नहीं चाहिए चाय, भाई कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को अकेला रहने दो. So, and over a period, what happens, you see, this impact goes with the students. That is why in power 24 for that is there. Knowingly, unknowingly. जैसे आप गए, सब लोग चुपचाप बैठ जाओ भाई. वो पता नहीं कोई नाम भी देते होंगे शायद आपको. एक वो कौन सा सीरियल चल रहा है? नहीं वो जिसमें कि वो कहते हैं ना डॉन या सम टाइम लाइक दैट इज देयर. तो स्टूडेंट भी डॉन आ गई भैया, बैठ जाओ चुपचाप जो है. और बैठना ही है. और बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, कितना अटेंडेंस हुआ तुम्हें पता है? और एग्जाम में बैठने के लिए कितना होता है जानते हो? वो करते हो? मैं ठीक है नोट कर लेता हूँ, पता करके लो, अपने मम्मी पापा को बुला लाना, मैं तो लिस्ट दे रही हूँ. You got my point. So, and sometime like this rules and regulation for that. Power का इस्तेमाल जो करते हैं ना, sometimes we show the rules and regulation for that is there. And immediately one is who is creating a problem. Okay, अच्छा ठीक है, बताइए मोटिवेशन. खड़े होइए भैया, बताइए ना मोटिवेशन. आप जानते हो ना बेटा, बहुत किताब पढ़ी है, लाइब्रेरी पढ़ते हो ना, बताओ ना जरा. जब आपके सामने खड़ा कर दिया, वो भी इस स्टाइल में कहेंगे जिससे कि उसकी हवा खराब हो जाए. So that is the way. That is the way. But उससे मैडम जी आपका नुकसान हो रहा है, फायदा नहीं हो रहा है. आप में वो चीज बढ़ती जा रही है, और वही भरपूर इस्तेमाल घर पे भी होता है. और कभी प्यार से मम्मी से पूछना, तब वो तुमसे कभी कहते तेरे को हो क्या गया, इससे तो बेटर शादी कर ले. मतलब हमारी तो वो सुनेगा जो सुनेगा, हम क्यों सुनाए. तो कभी कभी मम्मी शायद कभी कभी लाइक दैट इज. बोले बस, तो थोड़ा गुस्सा कूल डाउन तुम्हारा होता है, मम्मी क्या तुम्हें मैं इतनी आफत लगती हूँ, ये लगती हूँ, लाइक दैट, तो तुम फिर उनको ये मक्खन लगाने की कोशिश करती हो। हाँ, दूसरा ये है, आप दोस्ती ठीक है, आपका एफिलिएशन बहुत अच्छा है, नेटवर्किंग बहुत अच्छा है आपका, ठीक है, लेकिन आप उसको यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हो, नंबर 1, ठीक है। तीसरे क्या हो जाता है, आपकी भी अपनी लिमिटेशंस हैं, ठीक है, आपको भी थोड़ा डंडा बजा के मैनेजमेंट और घर वाले भी कई बार घर से कई तरह से फ्री शिप मिलती है, लेकिन जितना आप चाहते हैं उतनी नहीं मिलती है। तो जो आपकी क्रिएटिविटी है, इनोवेटिवनेस है, भरी पड़ी है, वो रुकी हुई है, और उसी की वजह है, मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि जो ये इरिटेशन आता है आपका, जब उसका यूज, मेरे को भाई, अगर जितने हम फ्री होंगे, जितने फ्री माइंड सोचेंगे, उतने ही क्रिएटिव होंगे, उतने ही इनोवेटिव हम लोग होंगे। तो वो चीज जब नहीं मिलती है, आप अपने सामने देखते हैं कि मेरे भाई को या दूसरे परिवार के मेंबर को तो ये मिल रहा है, मेरे को ये फ्रीशिप नहीं मिल रहा है। आप कहती तो किसी से नहीं है, दुख तो होता है ना, दुख तो होता है। वो दुख कई बार आप कह देती हैं, लेकिन कई बार कहती नहीं है, वो उसको कोर्ट के अंदर अभी भी छुपाए हुए हैं, और उसी का इम्पैक्ट आपके काम करने के तरीके पर पड़ता है, आपके बिहेवियर पे पड़ता है। जानते हैं कि बहुत इमोशनल आप हैं, और आप इतने भी कैपेबल हैं कि आप उन इमोशन को कंट्रोल करके रखती हैं, लेकिन दुख तब ज्यादा होता है उसी सिचुएशन में, आप जब अपने को देखते हैं, दूसरे को देखते हैं, वहां मूवमेंट हो रहा है, मेरा मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है। फिर बोलते हैं भगवान मैंने कौन से पाप किए हैं? किसी ने कोई पाप नहीं किए हैं, लेकिन वही बात है, आप में भी इनकी तरह बहुत जबरदस्त पोटेंशियल भरा पड़ा है। कब किसको क्या कहना चाहिए, कैसे कहना चाहिए, बस वो नहीं आता है। वो आप कर देंगे तो आप आगे बढ़ जाएंगे। जैसे मैं आपको बताऊं, मेरी वाइफ बहुत क्रिएटिव है, इनोवेटिव है, एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर वो सब क्वालिटीज है, लेकिन दिल्ली में मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं था, तो मैंने कहा कि कुछ नौकरी कर लो। तो ठीक है, और नौकरी अपना आप ढूंढो। उन्होंने अपना आप नौकरी ढूंढी। तो एक डॉक्टर के यहाँ चेकअप कराने जाते थे, तो भीड़ थी कि मैडम आपके यहाँ कोई है नहीं इसको मैनेज करने वाला। बोले बेटा तुम आ जाओगी? कहते हाँ, नौकरी ढूंढ लिया एज ए रिसेप्शनिस्ट। और जैसे ही वो वहां काम करना शुरू किया, 10-15 दिन में इतना इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ, बहुत ज्यादा। तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, व्हाट एजुकेशन, व्हाट स्किल यू हैव, यू स्टार्टेड टू यूज इट फॉर दैट। ठीक है, जैसे ही वो नौकरी का हमारे फादर को पता लगा, फोन आ गया, फॉर्चुनेटली हमने रिसीवर उठा लिया। मैंने पिताजी नमस्कार, नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, और कैसे? मैं ठीक है, पता लगा तुम्हारी वाइफ ने नौकरी कर ली। मैंने हाँ पिताजी। कहते पैसे की इतनी कमी आ गई? हाँ पापा जी। कहते तो मेरे से कहा क्यों नहीं लिया, इतनी प्रॉपर्टी इतना पैसा है। मैंने पापा जी आपने पढ़ा दिया, लिखा दिया, शादी कर दी, नौकरी दिला दी, तो अभी भी क्या भिखारी बनाना चाहते हो? कुछ तो करने दो अपने पैरों पर खड़ा होने के लिए। तो रिसीवर ऐसा पटक दिया। एंड वी लिव इन द जॉइंट फैमिली। तो मेरी वाइफ इतनी अफ्रेड हुई कि नहीं, एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस ऑफ द फैमिली पीस आई डोंट वांट। मैं नो, तुम कौन सा गलत काम कर रही हो, हम आपके साथ हैं। मैंने प्राणनाथ समझो तब भी हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, अपना दोस्त समझो तब भी हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, जो भी समझो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, कुछ गलत नहीं कर रही हो। मैंने हम फेस करेंगे ना, मैं तुम्हें क्या डरना, कंटिन्यू। फिर उसके बाद फादर से जब 3 महीने बाद मुलाकात हुई तो उन्होंने कुछ नहीं कहा। देन ही रियलाइज, जस्टिफिकेशन देना शुरू किया था उन्होंने कि तुम्हारी मदर ने बताया देखो खाली रहेंगे तो ये होगा, झगड़ा होगा, वो होगा, एजुकेशन का यूज हो रहा है, पैसा हो रहा है। जब हम घर पर गए अपने, तो मैंने कहा फादर ये बताइए, मैं ये क्लैरिफिकेशन क्यों दे रहे हो, मैंने तो नहीं पूछा आपसे। कहते नहीं तुमने सुना कहा था। मैंने अब क्लैरिफिकेशन क्यों दे रहे हो, इसका मतलब आप गलत थे, मैं गलत नहीं था। उसके बाद लाइब्रेरी का हाफ डे, लाइब्रेरी 2 घंटे जाने के लिए वहीं पे मेरे से पूछा क्या करना है, मेरे पास ऑफर है ये, एक मंदिर की लाइब्रेरी, बहुत अच्छी लाइब्रेरी, 2 घंटे जाना था 5 से 7। तो हाफ डे डॉक्टर क्या कर दो। डॉक्टर ने कहा बेटा तुम 1 घंटा भी आ जाओ मेरे यहाँ, तो ठीक है। तो दोनों काम हो गए, लंच तक 1 बजे तक वहां पे, 5 बजे से वहां 4 घंटे भी मिल गए, और पैसे भी, और एजुकेशन में सब चीज यूज हो रहा है। तो आई एम गिविंग दैट एग्जाम्पल। उसके बाद देन शी जॉइन ए प्राइमरी स्कूल, as a teacher. Within 6 months, then she was asked, okay, become the principal. And she became the principal. She refused, but my father came. उनको कुछ बीमारी थी, वही मैनेजर आया कि अंकल जी प्लीज इनसे कह दो एज ए प्रिंसिपल ज्वाइन कर लें. उन्होंने मना कर दिया, नो आई डोंट वांट टू डिवोट 1 more hour फॉर दैट. फादर ने कहा कि नहीं जाओ बेटा, ये प्रिंसिपल कल से ज्वाइन करेगी. द सेम फादर हु वाज अगेंस्ट, and with proud he says to her sister, okay, you are the principal inter college and she is in Delhi. What I am trying to convey the message, how we have to convince, not fighting, not fighting. तो वो गुण वो लीजिए ना, नहीं तो ये सब इमोशन, वो कहते हैं ना, वो सलमा आगा खान दिल के अरमा आंसू में बह गए. अकेले बैठ के ये करने से कुछ नहीं है ना. और कभी कभी तो जबरदस्त दुख होता है फॉर दैट. और इसी वजह से आपकी 2-3 अपॉर्चुनिटी, अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी चली गई. बेटा कौन देखेगा? इसी वजह से गई. तो आपको बोल्ड होना है, आपको बोल्ड होना है, ये सब चीज फेस करना है. घर में शांति के हिसाब से, घर में किसी का नाम शांति तो नहीं है? अच्छा था, चलिए. हाँ अच्छा, दादी बनना चाहती है, एकदम कह देंगे, नहीं तो कोई भी. तो ठीक है, तो उस हिसाब, तो एक तो आप यूज नेटवर्क का उस हिसाब से नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपने रिसोर्सेज का नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि यू हैव द लैक ऑफ कन्विंसिंग पावर, जो कहना चाहिए उस चीज के लिए. जैसे जैसे कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो आप बहुत इमोशनल हो जाते हैं उस चीज के लिए. इमोशन तो हर एक का वो चीज है, दिल साफ है, वो तो बात बिल्कुल सही है. किसी का आपको 2-4 लोगों ने नुकसान भी कर दिया है, लेकिन आपने उनको भी नुकसान नहीं किया है. नाम का तो मुझे नहीं पता है, लेकिन ऐसे लोगों ने नुकसान किया है आपका, जो कि आपके बहुत ही नजदीक थे. ये पॉजिटिविटी है, लेकिन इससे क्या हो रहा है, आपका जब ये नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो नेगेटिविटी बहुत ज्यादा चल रही है, 70%. और उससे क्या होता है, फियर ऑफ फेलियर, कि मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी फॉर दैट इज देयर. तो ये चेंज लाना पड़ेगा. बाकी हाँ, अपॉर्चुनिटी एक तो अवेलेबल होती है और एक क्रिएट करनी पड़ती है. तो वो आपका करने का वो सब चीज खत्म होता जा रहा है, तो उसको यूज करना है. ज्वाइंट फैमिली में हम लोग रहते हैं, पीसफुल रहते हैं, हमें कोई चीज अच्छी नहीं लगती. इफ आई डोंट लाइक फॉर माई फादर, एल्डर ब्रदर, आई से इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट, but in a different way. In a different way. I mean, whatever you say, because there was a situation, I am telling you, in front of me, some confrontation between my wife and my father. They say, okay, like this effort for that. I am sorry. I will not pay anybody favor. You have created, you solve yourself. I will not come into for that. If I take favor of my wife, which is genuine, then you will against. If I take your favor, being a father, you brought up me up to this level, so she will say, I left my whole family only for you, and you are not giving the justice. So please decide yourself. And within 2 minutes, you see, when I was away, within 2 minutes, okay, your way was not good, like this. Okay, Papa ji, sorry, sort it out. You are my friend. For the certain places you have to pay, for that is there. There are certain things which I can't discuss here in front of everyone. Instead of motivating, helping you, it may discourage, demotivate for you. Thank you. So how much percentage you feel is correct? 60 to 70%. Okay, but he will not happy. Okay, so give a big hand for that then. But if I add something more, then you will increase like that. But I think it is not proper way or forum for that is there. Yeah. Anybody else? Oh my God! When there is a tea, sir. When there is a tea time. क्या हुआ सर? 2 गिलास पीना सर. हाँ, अपनी प्रोफाइल अगर एनालाइज कराना चाहते हैं तो. ये आपका है सर? ओके. ये बड़ी देखो गंदी बात है, यहीं खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा मेरे को, मेरा आदत है मूवमेंट करने का। सर आपका अचीवमेंट है 20 है, 18 पावर में है और 22 एफिलिएशन में। कितने प्यारे हैं, कितने अच्छे हैं आपके, शुद्ध इतने अच्छे विचार हैं। आप कहते हैं अरे किसी को क्या कहना यार, बुरा भला किसी को क्या टोकना, सब पढ़े लिखे तो हैं, समझदार तो हैं, मेरे कहने से क्या होगा। अपनी जबान खराब करें, अपने संबंध खराब करें, समझदार है लाइक दिस, तो यू आर फर्म बिलीवर फॉर दैट, so you believe in that, so you don't want to pinpoint the people for that. Yeah, you have very good friendship, आपके कुछ दोस्त बहुत अच्छे हैं, they are very good for that and they are helping you, even they are motivating you also there. चलो करेंगे, हम भी तुम्हारे साथ हैं, like this. You see, one problem you have, you are owning your things but you also have the tendency कि बाकी का लोड भी अपने कंधे पर रख लेते हैं, क्योंकि you feel नहीं, डूबे तो नहीं है, खैर डूबने वाले थे, बच गए। सो यू फील कि लाइक वी आर टुगेदर, यू फील इफ आई ग्रो माय अदर फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली members also grow for that, and for that you are doing a lot of sacrifice for that. There are some good opportunity in your life which you left. Okay, we want together, doesn't matter, because you want to enjoy. जैसे ज्वाइंट फैमिली की हम बात करते हैं तो लाइक दैट इट गोज लाइक दैट देयर, सो यू आर ए फर्म बिलीवर फॉर दैट देयर, या बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर स्किल एंड योर नॉलेज फॉर दैट यू आर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन फॉर दैट इज देयर. Why saying everybody is good for that, they will understand themselves, it is not sufficient. Sometimes we have to raise our voice where you feel it is not right, it is not right, whether they accept or not doesn't matter for that, but somebody should be to raise the voice also for that. So it is going on, and in your life you see what is happening. You are not using your network, you are not using your friendship circle or your relative circle, where they are using you. They are using you and they are getting the benefit. Even this one, they are getting the benefit for that. So sometimes you feel, oh my God, what's there? कहीं मेरा उल्लू तो नहीं बना रहे? That is also, but you forget. No. These are not the people. They cannot for that. But in real sense, there are some who are doing the same thing. Who are doing the same thing, and some of them they move ahead also. You felt very happy, but you never realized why you have not to move with them. You want to take the whole class together, right? For that, if I grow, all should grow. But other people don't have, they have taken the advantage from you, they move ahead, they don't care for you. They say you are my friend, okay. This is the difference for that is there. And why you are doing like this? Because you don't want to harm anyone. You don't want to hurt anyone. You respect the feeling of the people. You understand the feeling of the people. That is the one good quality for that is there. That is why you don't want. And कभी कभी होता है ना, कुछ हो भी रहा, अरे यार मैं कौन हूँ पनिश करने वाला, ऊपर वाला करेगा, नहीं, that is for that. But ध्यान रखिए, if you are not good, people will not consider you. If you are poor, people run away from you. जो दोस्त है कोई एक आध छोड़ दीजिए, नहीं तो दोस्त भी दूर से निकल जाएंगे, बोले उधर तुम्हारे दोस्त का घर है, अरे यार मैं नहीं जा रहा, पता नहीं आ गया कुछ पैसे मांगने लगा, मैं कहाँ से देगा. You got my point. So if you are good, then others are good. So please focus on that is there. अभी कोई खास नुकसान हुआ तो है, इतना खास नुकसान नहीं हुआ है जो कि पूरा बर्बाद होने का लक्षण था, उससे बचे हुए हो. इससे पहले कि उस बर्बादी के अंबार, वो तो सर मैंने आपको हंसाने के लिए कहा था. ये तो मैं आपको सिर्फ ये आपका रियलाइज करा रहा हूं, आप क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो यही चीज है. तो दिल इतना भी साफ मत रखिए कि सब वहीं पे पानी छान के पीते रहें. उसकी भी तो कैपेसिटी है ना. जो अच्छे हैं उनके साथ अच्छे रहिए, जो अच्छे नहीं है थोड़ा सा स्टिक रहिए, क्योंकि आपकी भरी मनसात जो कहते हैं ना, उसका फायदा लोग उठा लेते हैं और उठा भी लिया है. और एक दिन ऐसा रहा हो जो मैंने आपको अभी कहा था, दोबारा रिपीट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, उसके लिए तो ये बहुत जरूरी है। और आपका जो स्टाइल है वो इतना अच्छा है, आप तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे काम कर सकते हैं, बहुत लोगों को लीड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन पहले अपने को करेक्ट कीजिए। तो अपने पे ध्यान नहीं दोगे, साथियों पे ध्यान दीजिए, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन तब तक ध्यान दीजिए, यानी उसको वो पैंट दीजिए, अगर आपके पास नई पैंट है तब उसको दीजिए, आपके पास पुरानी फटी पैंट है तो सर नई पैंट मत दीजिए। यही तो गड़बड़ हो रहा है आपकी जिंदगी में, यानी अपना ज्ञान सब कुछ उनको देंगे, अपने लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे। और इसलिए आप जानते हैं घर वाले इनसे लड़ते हैं, घर वाले लड़ते हैं इनसे, अरे बाबा तुम्हें जो टाइम देना दीजिए, घर का टाइम तो मत दीजिए उनको। लेकिन ये बड़े समझदार हैं, उनको भी लपेट देते हैं, कहते हैं देखिए जिंदगी में जानवर भी हैं, सब कुछ है, खाते पीते हैं, सब रहते हैं, लेकिन दूसरों का कुछ अच्छा करने वाला सब थोड़ा ही होते हैं। भगवान ने हमें इसीलिए भेजा है। बोले जब कोई मेहमान आता है, तुम इतना अच्छा खाना बनाती हो, खिलाती हो, क्यों खिलाती हो, खराब क्यों नहीं खिलाती हो? कि हमारे घर पे कोई आता है तो उससे लगना तो चाहिए। बोले वही तो मैं भी कर रहा हूं। फिर यही सवाल इनको उत्तर मिल जाता, तुमसे कोई जीत नहीं सकता जी, ठीक है अच्छा मुंह हाथ धो लो, खाना ला रही हूं। तो सर जबरदस्त चीज है, इसका इस्तेमाल, बाकी चीज आपकी क्यों नहीं कर पाते? इतने जबरदस्त मुझे निगेटिव क्यों? अरे तो बोलिए पड़ोसन पे ज्यादा निगाह रखते हो आप। आंटी है, मैंने तो सर पड़ोसन बोला है, मैंने तो पड़ोसन बोला है, सर्टिफिकेट तो आप दे रहे हो। आप जानते हो सर्टिफिकेट क्यों दे रहे हो? कि अगर आंटी का सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया कोई मेरे पर शक नहीं करेगा। इसलिए बहुत से लोग बड़ी जल्दी कह देते हैं, जब वो फंस जाते हैं कहते भाई ये ऐसा क्या क्या, अरे ये तो मेरी बहन जैसी है, और दिल में कुछ और होता है, और इसलिए वो उनके चेहरे पर विजिबल हो जाता है। तो सर कहिए उसमें क्या बात है, तारीफ कर रहे हैं पड़ोसन, तो क्या है उसमें गुनाह है? अच्छा तो तब है जब अपनी बीवी के सामने आप पड़ोसन की तारीफ करें। हाँ बीवी के सामने बोल देते हैं ऐसा क्या? सर कहाँ कहाँ दादागिरी दिखाते हैं। वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, पता लग रहा है सर, यानी आपकी प्रोफाइल में 21 अचीवमेंट में है, और पावर में 25 है, और 22 है एफिलिएशन में, जिसमें कि आप पब्लिक जनता जनार्दन के काम में, स्कूल के जो भी जहां भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, और भगत काम तो करते हैं लेकिन बेकार का काम ज्यादा करते हैं। समझ गए ना, बेकार का काम ज्यादा करते हैं, और वो क्यों करते हैं उसका एक रीजन है। तो आपका एक नीड है, आपका एक नीड है कि लोग बाग मुझे जाने, और कई बार ऐसे गड्ढे में भी कूद गए हैं, आपको पता मैं इसे कूद नहीं सकता, फांद नहीं सकता, लेकिन ये दिखाने के लिए अकेला देखो मैं ही हूं, मैं ही कूद सकता हूं, भले ही गिर गया, लेकिन बाकी लोगों ने तो हिम्मत नहीं करा। देखिए सर मैं तो बड़ी शुद्ध भाषा में आपको बता रहा हूँ। ओह सॉरी, बंगलौर वाले तो नाराज होंगे। सर व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, यू हैव द हैबिट कि हाउ आई कैन बी एक्नॉलेज्ड, how the people can recognize me. So you are doing certain works which are not useful, but this will show okay, oh he the only person doing this one. You got my point for that. And there is no relevance, there is no usefulness for the organization, institution or the society for that. Just okay, I am the leader. Okay, just I am the leader, come to me for that. And do you know what is happening in your life? You are too much bothered for that there. The people are approaching too much, but you are not in a position to solve the problems. When they are approaching, so you cannot listen to everyone. In the beginning, it started. I am reaching you, you are listening me. He is reaching everybody. But now you are saying, okay, whatever your problem, okay, write in this and leave. I will go through for that is there. You got my point for that. So this is the change for that is there. But you see, whatever the power you have, for example, so try to delegate that. Then you will enjoy for that is there. Usse, what is happening? So everything changing in your behavior as well as in the attitude for that. आप पहले बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे थे जिससे लोगों को जबरदस्त फायदा हो रहा था. अब वो काम नहीं हो रहा है, बस आपकी इमेज हो रही है. और this is temporary. Sir, what I'm saying, but this is temporary. This is temporary. When you do the real work, developmental work for the people, then the people will remember forever. Even you are not there, you are retired, you left that job, but people will remember for that is there. That is why I'm saying, do that type of activity, involve in that type of work for that. So if you can do for that. So that is permanent. Not by virtue of your post, virtue of your activity. You should be known for that. And that is very important for that. So this is temporary for that. So that is why I'm saying, over a period what happened? Earlier you were listening everyone nicely. So now you are listening only 30%. Remaining, you are saying like this. However, you are very good. You have a very good heart also. But for that, but you don't have time to listen everyone. I'm not saying you are not solving the problem. You are solving the problem. But what you are gaining? What you are gaining? लोग बाग मालूम है आपको कि भैया वो ये है, अरे थोड़ा मक्खन लगा दो, उसके जो है अपनी समस्या सॉल्व हो जाए, फिर इधर को हो जाओ. And so many people, you get done the work very nicely. नमस्ते भी नहीं करते आप. इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ सर, मतलब निकल गया तो समझे नहीं, पहचानते नहीं, ये कह रहे मैंने नहीं कहा है. तो मैं यही कह रहा हूं. तो हमको काम, अब आप में जो जबरदस्त पोटेंशियल, क्योंकि आप अपने पे ध्यान देना बंद कर दिए, लोगों पे ध्यान ज्यादा हो गया. तो अपना भी डेवलपमेंट कीजिए ना, अपना भी इंप्रूवमेंट कीजिए सर. नो नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक ये किसी और पर्पज के लिए कि चलो 2 हफ्ते वहां से तो पीछा छूटा. चंडीगढ़ जाएंगे, अच्छा जगह है, सुंदर शहर है, लाइक दैट, और दूसरे नए साथी मिलेंगे, पड़ोसन मिले या ना मिले. सो दैट इज वाई सर, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं. तो आपका पकड़ जबरदस्त है आपका जो है लोगों पे. लोग बाग आप पे विश्वास करते हैं, लेकिन उसी विश्वास में कई अपने मलाई खा के चले जाते हैं. कहेंगे यार हमें बिल्ली तो आ नहीं सकती यहाँ पे, मलाई रख के बिल्ली तो आ नहीं सकती यहाँ पे. अब अपने उन दोस्तों पे, उन विश्वास पात्रों पे आप अविश्वास तो नहीं कर सकते ना, जबकि मलाई वही खा रहे हैं. पहले आपको मिल जाती थी, अब तो वो मिलती नहीं है ना. तो ऐसे काम करने से क्या फायदा सर? ताकत तो चाहिए ना थोड़ा. Sir, don't blame the system. Again, I am repeating, in the government, same system, there are some people, they are doing better than you there. But they never blame for the system. Wherever the system is there, they go with the management or like that, they try their best. But you see why it is happening? Who blame the system? Do you know? Who don't trust yourself. I don't trust myself, then I will blame the system. अरे मेरे में जो competency है, मेरे में जो potential है, उस पर तो विश्वास कीजिए. If you go through the whole life, that is why I am pointing out very nicely for that for you. You see, there are 70 to 80% problems, challenges are linked with us, and we can give the solution. But we blame due to that it is not happening for that. अरे 80% तक तो करिए ना आप. जब 80% करेंगे 20% ऑटोमेटिकली होगा. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ.
I have got the five decisions from the state government and then the district administration and then from the Delhi. Yeah. But after that, the system is in which we are doing working. We can say not supporting the talent of the people. and there is no any kind of scheme to appreciate the people.
Motivations भी नहीं.
That's why we are lacking.
सर
Currently we are lacking.
इसीलिए मैंने एक ही पॉइंट आपके साथ कहा था। ओह फिर ये पकड़ेंगे मेरे को। मैंने एक ही पॉइंट आपसे कहा था, जब आप अपने पे विश्वास करेंगे, उस सॉल्यूशन को लाने की कोशिश करेंगे, देन यू विल, नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू। आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि मैं जहां पे काम करता हूं वहां पे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा ही मेरे फेवरेबल है। नो
हमारी promotion जो policies है वो already has been expired by the government.
सर, मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, इसीलिए तो मैं कह रहा हूं, who are the professional people, they focus on 4 things for motivation. One is target or the goal, another competition, third challenge, and fourth satisfaction. For that, okay, what I am doing,
We are satisfied means we are very
what, no, किसने कह दिया? एक, no, I am on the motivation part only there, same thing is there, I am talking for that is there. So if you look at for that is why I have said motivation, 4 very important things there. I am not getting, but I am involved my work, I am continuously doing for that is there. That is my motivation for that. Okay, I am doing good work for that, whether my system accepting or not, doesn't matter for that there. If I send a file for that, it is rejected, I know, but I never feel desperate. After 10 days, again I send the file in different way. I am coming, sir. So 4th time, 5th time, till it is get approved, I send again and again. And you see what happened? When बॉस से यार ये पागल हो गया है, जब चाहे फाइल भेज देता है, वो क्या है, अप्रूव।
सर एक्सप्लेनेशन आता है सर, ऐसे नहीं भेजता.
आप सोचते हैं मेरे पे नहीं आता?
From deputy secretary, why you are coming again and again and writing the letter? Once you have it has been rejected, then again you are writing, and there will be the information given again 16 cc.
Yes.
16 cc में कार्रवाई प्रस्तावित है, ऐसा लेटर आता है सर.
सर, आप पे डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी, मेरे पे ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी का आता है
हाँ, नहीं,
कि in what capacity you have written to the letter to the minister? It should come through your minister or secretary.
Okay. See, but that we are,
मैं बड़ी सिंपल चीज है आप कर रहे हैं, कहीं आपको लगता है कि मेरा मामला गड़बड़ है, सॉरी, नो बट एनी फॉर दैट। आप सुनिए तो सही, सॉरी, सिंपल। और कहीं लगता है सॉरी कहते हैं ना, क्या उसमें क्या हमारा ईगो हर्ट होता है? इट मीन्स वी आर कैरिंग अवर एरोगेंस, नॉट द ईगो, दैट वाई वी डोंट वांट टू एक्सेप्ट दैट। तो इसीलिए मैं तो कहता हूँ, वॉट एवर द टारगेट आई वॉन्ट, आई हैव टू सेंड, गेट डन। जब हम कोई काम करते हैं ना तो है ही उसको, हाउ वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू यस, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। उस बंदे को भेजते भेजते इतना परेशान कर दो कि भूत की तरह हम उसके सपने में आना शुरू हो जाए, अगले दिन फाइल हो जाएगी। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू विद माई ओन लाइफ फॉर दैट। इन कानपुर दरवाजे बॉय इन कानपुर कहते मेरे को ये 50,000 रुपए लोन लेना था, दैट इज 25 years बैक। मैंने कहा क्यों साहब? करप्शन है। कितना करप्शन है साहब? कहते 90% करप्शन है। गुड, मैंने 5% और रख लो, 95% हो गया। कहते ठीक है सर। मैंने 5% मैंने वो रखा जो तुमको भी नहीं पता है, मैंने 5% बचा। 5% तो फेयर है ना? तो वाई यू आर कंसिडरिंग योर सेल्फ इन 90%, 95%? वाई नॉट यू कंसिडर योर सेल्फ इन 5%, वेयर द फेयर सिलेक्शन इज देयर? मेरे पास फाइल लाइए, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूं, मेरे को टाइम दीजिए, 1 महीना 2 महीना 6 महीना, ऊपर भेजिए। एंड ही हैड डन द सेम थिंग। जब रीजनल मैनेजर के पास फाइल 4 महीने 6 महीने हो गए पहुंची, उसने मैनेजर को फोन किया, भाई ऐसे ऐसे इसका 50,000 का लोन था, क्या हो? सर इसका प्रोजेक्ट वायबल नहीं है, फिजिबल नहीं है, नहीं हो सकता। कहते किसने चेक किया इसको? सर मैंने भी किया डेवलपमेंट। बोले यहीं पे आ जाओ मेरे पास। बोले क्यों सर? बोले मैंने भी प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट देखा है, इट इज फिजिबल वायबल फॉर दैट, एंड यू हैव टू गिव एक्सप्लेनेशन टू मी कि व्हाई यू आर creating these problems for the young generation people for that. So what I'm trying to convey you, there are so many people bad, but there are so many people good also. उसको 50,000 लोन सैंक्शन हुआ, and same branch, same bank, after 1.5 years, they sanction 5 crore rupees. 5 crore, because in 50,000 in his enterprise he developed so much and proved it. Yes, I have the potential. आज भी वो याद रखता है, मैंने 5% का काम कर रहा है ना। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू, इसीलिए हम इजी क्या है, हम वी स्टार्टेड टू लिव इन द कंफर्ट जोन। where we don't want to stretch ourselves. Stretch ourselves का मतलब है हम difficult situation में अपने को डालना नहीं चाहते, हम तो उसी स्मूथ रोड को चलना चाहते हैं, तो कंफर्टेबल जोन में, तो इसीलिए we cannot do, and we started to blame that due to him it is not happening, for that is there. So sir, you have very good potential, only right forum for the right people, use it, and you will create your own very nice identity, not in your organization but somewhere else also, I am telling you, in the society. So that potential is in you, and good time is waiting for you, and good time is waiting for you, I am telling you. So please be clear what you are doing for that. So it is nice. So first try to improve where you are lacking. अपना knowledge increase कीजिए, skill बढ़ाइए उसमें जो है, और थोड़ा attitude में परिवर्तन ले आइए. आप देखिए ना, गाड़ी शताब्दी की तरह दौड़ेगी. राइट सर? तो अभी तक सर यही बताएं, आप टी ब्रेक करेंगे, कितने % आपको सर सही लग रहा है?
Almost more than 80%.
ओह, सर के लिए thank you, thank you. So now we break for the tea. Before tea, anybody have any questions, sir?